Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. See, in this video, because already the examinations are coming ahead, within another 2 or 3 months the NEET examination will be held. Therefore, I am selecting some best questions for the NEET examination 2026. So on the board you can see from current electricity we are having one nice problem. Second year physics. ఏంటిది చూడండి ఒకసారి. The masses of the wires of copper are in the ratio of 1:3:5. Okay, the masses of the wires of copper, అంటే కాపర్ వైర్స్ మూడు ఉన్నాయి, దాని మాసెస్ రేషియో ఇచ్చాడు 1:3:5 and their lengths are in the ratio of 5:3:1. their lengths ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 5:3:1. now he is asking you what is the ratio of the electrical resistances. so electrical resistance ratio అడిగాడు. A 1:3:5, B 1:125:125, sorry 1:25:125, C 5:3:1, and finally D 125:15:1. Now we'll do the solution for such type of problems. So solution note cheskondi, very dead easy problem this one. He has given masses of the wires of copper. Suppose he has given wires, suppose let us say this is one wire, this is another wire, and say this is another wire. Three wires, three are copper wires. Okay, copper. So he is given this mass, first mass m1, m2, m3. In the same way lengths l1, l2, l3 lengths. Okay, lengths are given l1, l2, l3. Okay, these are the given data for us. Now he is asking the ratio of the electrical resistance. So ratio of electrical resistance అంటే R1:R2 అడుగుతున్నాడు. అంటే R1:R2:R3 is equal to dash అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So we already know an equation regarding resistance and resistivity. R is equal to rho L by A. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ అందరికి తెలుసు కదా. In the previous videos already we discussed about resistance is directly proportional to length of the conductor and inversely proportional to area of the cross section. Now ఇక్కడ mass అనే ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఎక్కడ లేదు చూడండి, ఇందులో mass లేదు. Now how to get the mass? Right, exactly. See, we know already density is equal to mass per volume. Okay, or density into volume is equal to mass. Now what is volume again? Density into volume అంటే area into length, that is equal to mass, because we know from maths, since volume is equal to area of the wire into length, so in the place of volume I can put A into L. Now I got mass equation, put it in this area. Okay na, equation pedadam. Now see what is happening. Resistance is equal to rho into L by A. So in the place of area I can put it in this equation. ఎలా ఉంది చూడండి, ఇందులో ఏరియా ఎంత అవుతుంది, area is equal to m by d into L. area is equal to చూడండి, area is equal to m mass by density into length. Substitute here in the place of area. Okay na, that is m by density into L, which is nothing but rho L into dl పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, density constant by mass. Now rho is a constant, density is a constant. Now resistance is equal to, take the constant outside, L square by m. So finally ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది మనకి, ఏంటి, in terms of mass and length. సో మాసెస్ ఇచ్చాడు, లెంగ్త్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, m1:m2:m3 ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకేనా, అలాగే l1, l2, l3 ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ పెట్టేద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ విల్ ఫైండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ r1. r1 is equal to l1 square by m1, l1 square by m1. అలాగే r2 is equal to l2 square by m2. అలాగే r3 is equal to l3 square by m3. So substituting the values here, r1 is equal to l1 square. l1 square ఎంత చూడండి, ఇవ్వండి, the masses of the copper, ఇవి masses ratios, ఇవి masses m1, m2, m3, ఇవేమో రేషియో ఆఫ్ ద లెన్స్, ఇవి L1, L2, L3. Therefore first equation R1 ఎంత అవుతుంది, R1 L1 square by M1. L1 square అంటే 5 square. L1 square by M1. M1 అంటే 1. అలాగే R2 L2 square అంటే 3 square. చూడండి L2 square అంటే 3 square by M2. M2 రేషియో ఎంత ఉంది 3. అలాగే R3 వాట్ ఈస్ R3 ఫార్ములా L3 square by M3. L3 square అంటే 1 square. 1 square. Are you following the points here? Simple maths and maths formula. Okay, 1 square by M3. M3 into 5. Now what are these values? 5 square into 25 by 1. 3 square into 9 by 3, that is 3. Alage 1 square by 5 into 1 by 5. So ఏమంటే మనకి the ratio of the electrical resistance అంటే R1 is to R2 is to R3. Okay na? So therefore R1 is to R2 is to R3 is equal to R1 enta 25 by 1 is to R2 enta 3 by 1 is to R3 enta 1 by 5. But ఈ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ లేదు ఇక్కడ చూడండి 25 is to 3 is to 1 by 5 లేదు. So what will do? You will take LCM. Take LCM 5 1 1 1 5 కి 1 5 is 5 5 5 25 is 125. 1 5 is 5 3 is 15. 5 1 is 1 1 is 1. So what is the top values? 125 is to 15 is to 1. Check చేసుకోండి. ఇదిగోండి లాస్ట్ వన్ is the answer. 125 is to 15 is to 1. So the ratio of the electrical resistance is got to be 125 is to 15 is to 1. So ఇంత ఈజీగా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కరెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీలో రిగార్డింగ్ ద మాసెస్ అండ్ లెన్స్ ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఇండైరెక్ట్గా మనకి వాల్యూస్ లేవు. You have to go back to the density formula and from there you have to get the mass formula and substitute in the resistivity formula. R is equal to rho L by A. So ఈ విధంగా చేయొచ్చండి. Again we'll meet with another next problem. Nice video. Okay na? Right.